I'm Roshan Kumar, so fifth year postdoc at University of Michigan Medical School, Ann Arbor. I would like to tell one incident. So my father used to have this dissection kit. So the kit that is commonly used at school levels where you dissect some invertebrates like cockroaches or toads, something like that. So when I was child, I used to ask him, what is this? So he mentioned that it's a dissecting kit and we used to dissect toads. So that incident somehow stuck in my mind, and I still remember it pretty fresh. So during that time, I was not sure I'm going to do science, but this is something that means that stuck in my mind. So I think some relevance to being in the science field. My current work is to understand how gut microbiota and the metabolites derived from these microbes influence intestinal diseases. So briefly, I would like to tell that there are different kinds of microbes that produces lots of hydrogen sulfide. Hydrogen sulfide is a gaseous molecule and it blocks the complex 4 of the mitochondria, and also it has many other effects. So in diseases like colitis or colorectal cancer, there is increased amount of hydrogen sulfide. So in our lab, we are trying to understand how increased production of hydrogen sulfide is linked to colitis or colorectal cancer. There are a couple of twists and turns. So when I passed the high school, so I was very much motivated to join a medical school and to become a practitioner doctor. But I got an opportunity with a medical school, but somehow the fee during that time was pretty high. So unluckily, I was not able to continue my medical school. So then I choose this path for this science. So that was a very big setback during that time. But now I realize that eventually I'm liking this research more than that I would have loved means practicing. I have couple of interesting ongoing projects, and I believe that in year and half, I will able to have data on all those projects, and eventually within 1.5 year or 2 years time, we have good publication from those. And the target is next year fall, I'll go for job market, and mostly I'm interested in academia, so I'll go for academic jobs. So the most cool thing about science, every day is challenging. Means every day you get an opportunity to explore something new. Sometimes there are setbacks, things not go according to the plan. Sometimes there is serendipity, means you discovered something extremely exciting that you have never thought of. So this field is full of excitement, and unraveling the puzzles, it's a great part of this field. For the aspiring scientist, I would like to tell that never lose hope. Sometimes in research, even you work for a year and a half, or 2 years, you don't have solid data. So that might demotivate you, but I would like to tell you means just hold your nerves and give your 100% and stick to it. So if some project is not working for longer, then switch it, but don't switch the field. Give yourself time, because this is such an exciting field. Once you develop love for it, it is pretty hard to leave this field. And scientists are needed in this area because there are lots of mysteries, many diseases that needs to be tackled, and this can only be possible with the good efforts, understanding the basic thing behind through science.